So in the last video, I told you guys that I was selling the MT-09 and the Ruckus, but there's a video that I've been wanting to make for a long time, and that's a comparison of the exhausts on every single bike that I own currently and the ones that I've owned in the past. And since I'm gonna be getting rid of a couple of the bikes soon, I figured I better do it now if I want current footage of those bikes. I've got a lot of different bikes. I've owned a lot of different bikes, and I've done a lot of different exhaust setups on all of them. So I wanted to compare all the different sounds. We've got the 2020 R1. That one's got the SC project. We got the 2020 BMW S1000. That one's got the Austin Racing exhaust. Over here, we've got the 2014 Yamaha FZ/MT-09. This one has the Leo Vinci exhaust. The CRF over here has an FMF exhaust. The Ruckus over here has the little bitty baby Yoshimura pipe. This is an all custom pipe from the Ruck shop, but it uses a little Yoshimura muffler. And then that's it. Is that all the bikes I have? Okay, I guess I got the Grom. In the past, I've had a 2009 R6, I had the 2017 R6, I had a 2011 WR250X, I had the 2009 Yamaha R1. All of those had different exhausts as well. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you every single bike, off-bike footage, on-bike footage, flybys, all the good stuff. Everything so you can have the experience of hearing all the exhausts. On top of that, I'm gonna pull out all the footage that I can find on my old bikes so we can compare all the exhausts on all the bikes that I've owned. So I think to make things interesting, we'll go in order of CCs. So we'll start with the smallest, that's a Ruckus, 171cc. Then we'll do the WR250X. Then we will do the CRF 450. Then we will do the two R6s, the 2009, the 2017. Up after that will be the MT-09, and then the 2009 and the 2020 R1s at 998 cc's, and then the 2020 S1000 at 999 cc's. So we got the Ruckus up first. Make sure you leave a comment down in the description with your favorite exhaust sound when we're done with the video. And other than that, enjoy. All right, so slight change of plans. I rolled it out and did a little startup, and I heard a noise and discovered that the caliper bolt, or one of the caliper bolts, is missing. See right here, the top caliper bolt that holds on this adapter is not there. And it would have a spacer, and I think I had one or two washers because that's what I have on the bottom just to give it the exact kind of offset that I needed. So yeah, can't ride this one. But I am gonna throw in some footage that I have of this because I have some really good footage when we did the first rides and stuff of this. So I'll show you guys some of the first startups, my first ride, to give you guys some good footage of this bike. By the way, am I looking super clean today? Gotta look fresh for all the videos. Helping me do that is today's sponsor, Harrys.com. I don't know about you, but I'm kind of lazy when it comes to shaving, kind of to the annoyance of my wife. But man, nothing beats a fresh, clean shave. Harry's is a personal care brand that makes the whole shave process feel more premium and hassle-free. First off, the shave gel is unreal. Best feeling, smelling cream shave gel that I've ever used. Foams up real well. I promise, you're gonna be feeling like a different person by the time you're done with this stuff. Hey, Brian. What? The razor feels a lot more premium than other brands too, with its weighted handle, textured grip. It's just really nice in the hand and stays there even covered in shave gel and water. And they just released their sharpest blades ever at the same $2 price. You can get this stuff in their trial set, by the way. It's just $3 and you can get it by going to harrys.com/motonosity. An amazing deal, and you really help up the channel by signing up. And it helps others too. Harry's gives 1% of their sales to nonprofit organizations that provide mental health care to men in need. Whether it be for yourself or someone close to you, they got gift sets on their website, by the way. Christmas is right around the corner. You can get it all at harrys.com/motonosity. Link is at the top of the description. So thanks to Harry's for sponsoring the video, and thanks to all of you who support my sponsors. that's it. That gives you guys an idea of the exhaust sound on every single bike that I've owned, past and present, minus the first one that was the SV650S. Let me know down in the comments what was your favorite. I got a soft spot in my heart for the 2009 R1. That Toce sound really good on that bike. But let me know what you guys think. Let me know what y'all's favorite exhaust sound is of all the bikes that I've owned. If you want to get any of my merch, you can get it at motonosity.com. Make sure you hit the like button if you enjoyed the video. Subscribe if you're not subbed already. You guys have been awesome. I've been Motonosity. Remember, life's better with horsepower. Keep life lived. And I'll see you guys in the next one.